Hello friends, this is Anurag Jagatia, and in this video we will learn about key terms of information security. So in order to define information security, we can say this is the study of hiding useful and sensitive information from illegitimate audience, or we can say unwanted people. This information can be of any type. It could be your personal information over any social media platform, it could be a financial transactions details, or it could be your company's personal or some professional details, etc. So all this information which we deemed as critical, we want to secure that information from unwanted people so that others cannot misuse that information. So in order to do so, we use the principles of information security. So the another key term is cryptography. So this is the tool which is basically used to ensure the principles of information security. So cryptography, it says cryptos is the hidden, and graphy means study. It's basically it has been made from Greek words cryptos and graphy, that says to hide the sensitive information. So this is the title cryptography is. So it encompasses many methods and techniques that we will learn later on. So two more important key terms are, one is the plain text and another one is the ciphertext. The plain text is the text in its usual form. It could be in English or any other language which a human being can read easily. And on the other hand, a ciphertext is a scrambled form of information, or we can say this is something which normally human being cannot read directly. This is some form of a scrambled information. So this is not a direct meaningful information. This is something which we can say a algorithm generated output or a machine generated output is basically ciphertext, which normal people cannot read. So that's what is the ciphertext. So we'll move on to some more terms. So one very popular key term is the encryption, that says scrambling of plain text into ciphertext using proven mathematical formulas or well-defined procedures, and a secret key is there. So encryption is a very popular term which we use to convert our normal plain text into a less intelligent or less human readable form of text, which we call ciphertext, using proven mathematical notions of formulas. So just to give you an idea of some of the most popular protocols which we are using in our day-to-day life is the HTTPS, that is HTTP over S. So that's a secure. S is, it says secure. Basically it is, we'll study later on, this is TLS protocol that gives you the security onto the HTTP. So this is one of the very popular protocol which we use for making financial transactions, or even for filling up some online forms, so that it ensures the data remains safe. That's the another one is the WPA2, which is wireless protected access, which is popularly used to secure the data over Wi-Fi networks. And some more examples are like EFS, that is encrypted file systems, and CSS, that is content scrambling systems. These are two popular protocols which are used to safeguard the data on disk. So these are some popular protocols, just to give you an idea of the encryption algorithms which are very popular these days. And so they ensures you basically that your data, whatever your data you're sending, or your essential information is secure from the rest of the world. So the another popular term is the decryption, that looks and sounds similar to encryption. So this is the just reversal of the encryption. That is one, if you have ciphertext, you need to convert this back into plain text, so that is decryption. So this is reversal of encryption process, that is decryption. And the secret key, one of the very important term, that is a secret key. That's basically a randomly generated secret piece of information. So this is the basic secret information which is used to encrypt your sensitive private data, and the same secret key is used most of the time to decrypt the encrypted data. So that's the key term is. So in this slide we can see it's a very good example. On the left hand side you can see there's a message in a plain text form, and on the right hand side the same is in ciphertext form. Just to give you an idea how ciphertext and plain text looks. So here you can see ciphertext. You cannot find anything meaningful from this secret ciphertext. So this is just how secret this ciphertext is and how it looks like. So one more example. This is a small block diagram that says how a small plain text that's hello John is encrypted into a different ciphertext that has no exact grammatical meaning, and with the help of decryption again the same ciphertext is converted back into plain text. In next lecture we'll cover this type of cryptographic